Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google in Microsoft Edge browser. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Click on the three dots in the right corner of Edge. Select Settings from the list. Click on Privacy, Search and Services. Now scroll down and click on Search and Connected Experiences. Click on Address Bar and Search. Now click on the box next to Search Engine used in the address bar. Select Google from the list. Now let's open a new tab and test it. Here, don't type in the search box. Make sure to always type in the address bar. Now, let's Google something. As you can see, I'm using Google in Edge browser. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if this video was helpful.